Good morning and welcome back to Sweet Sounds in the Country. I'm Phil. This is Tucker. Say hi, Tucker. He's like, okay. He's the star of the show. Anyway, I just thought I'd do a quick talk with you guys about what the channel's all about and what I'm doing here. And really, I'm just having fun. I'm just enjoying this, just doing this for entertainment. Just living my life. I'm an average, normal dude, about as average as you get. And really just living out here in the country with the family, just trying to make it. You know, ain't nothing fancy over here. Just making videos about whatever, living the country life best we can. Hello, Mr. Sweat Bee. Y'all can't see it, but there's a sweat bee right here on my camera on my phone. And I don't even know what it's doing, but it's just kind of chilling there. Anyway, I digress. But yeah, just making videos about gardening, life, silly antics that my wife and I get into. You know, life, just normal stuff. Any thoughts to add, Tucker? Tucker? Yeah, but he's a good boy. Yes, he is. He's just a good boy. He really is a good boy. But no, we're just regular, normal folks. Kids, just trying to pay the bills. Just regular, average, normal people. Trying to live normal lives. Well, normal-ish. There ain't nothing normal about us, but, normal is a relative term. But, yeah, that's about it, man. We just try to live our lives. We go places, try to spend time with the kids as much as we can. Just trying to live life. Just try to live life to the fullest. You're probably not going to see too many high-powered hijinks, and by high-powered hijinks, I mean renting out an entire amusement park or anything like that, because, we're not YouTube rich. We're not, 7 generations in, great granddaddy's, money is still feeding us. No. We're on the lower scale of the income. Alright, yeah, we ain't rolling it over here, I promise you, okay? We barely getting by. But we're just living life. And that's the way we intend to do. Just try to live life to the fullest every day. Make these videos. Hopefully provide some kind of entertainment for you guys, anyone watching. And just chill out, hang out, relax. That's all we can do, is just take things one step at a time, one day at a time. And I hope you guys will take this journey with us. Sweet Sounds of the Country. Well, it got its name, in case you were wondering. We just were sitting around the house one day and, what's a good name for the channel? Well, we live in the country. We love the sounds of the country, the nature, the birds, everything about it. So, Sweet Sounds of the Country. There it is. Yeah. I know, I have a tendency of rambling on, but that's okay. It's okay. For all 3 people that'll view this, I do apologize. It's okay. But the hope is that one day this channel will grow and grow and grow and grow. And even if it doesn't, that's okay. Still having fun, and years and years and years from now, I can look back on these videos, smile, and laugh. And at the end of the day, it's memories. Something I can pass on to my kids, my grandkids, great grandkids, so on and so forth. They can look back and laugh at, Pop Phil and what the heck is he doing, that country bumpkin, that city slicker going country. We weren't born and raised out here. We started out near the city and moved on our way up here. Just moved on out, packed up the bags, packed up the family, and said we're going out to the country. And put the city in the tail light in the put the tail lights of the city and turned the car around and went. Didn't look back. So yeah, that's us, man. That's us. Ain't that right, Pooch? Tucker. He's like, what are you doing, Dad? What are you doing? What are you doing? Rambling here, talking to yourself. It's all good. It's all good. But thank you guys for it. I highly doubt anybody's gotten this far. And if you have, wow, what are you doing with your life? You must be really bored if you're still watching this. But it's okay. Wow, these sweat bees are out here in force today. What is going on? I'm not even sweating. What is you doing? That's okay. But y'all take care, and I will see y'all in another video. Later.